I have a really small office, but I have really big ideas, and unfortunately, I'm very forgetful as well. So those big ideas come and then they just disappear. What I really need is a giant whiteboard that I can just jot those ideas down or put them on a sticky note on the whiteboard and draw arrows and connect ideas and all sorts of cool thinky people things. But unfortunately, my office doesn't have an empty wall that I could put a whiteboard up unless I wanted to have like one of those tiny little postage note whiteboards, which I could maybe make a shopping list. But then I thought, hey, I have a closet with a folding set of doors that I don't use for anything. So what I did, I went online and ordered some roll-on sticky whiteboard in a sticker thing, and I put it onto my closet door, and it ended up being a remarkably decent whiteboard. It's not perfect. There's some ribbly spots in it, and like the doors underneath aren't perfect, so it's not perfectly smooth, but it's really great for writing. It erases really well, it's clear, and I'll be honest, it's a spot on the wall that I would never have any use for because it's a door, right? So I can open them, get in my closet, close it, and the whiteboard is back. Anyway, I put the links for the things that I used in the description. They're affiliate links for Amazon, but they're really cool. I'm actually really happy with it, and now I have a whiteboard in my office where I didn't even have room for one. So while this wasn't exactly tech training, I hope you found it useful, and remember to learn everything, do what you love, and most importantly, be kind. Stick around, we have lots more stuff to learn together, and now I have a place I can jot down all the ideas for my next videos, and I'll see you there.